Hello everyone, welcome to the market weekly update. So this is US dollar index. So we can see US dollar index is still in a consolidation we can say moment. So I might waiting for it still going up, break through this level or break through this level. Alright, so let's move on. Okay, so tonight is FOMC. So I might expecting the FOMC will be back for gold. So what I'm expecting for gold tonight might be a bearish momentum, overall. So let's see if the FOMC was same as my prediction expectation. All right. So for gold now, currently we can still see is still holding above this level. I can say key level. So if it breaks through the key level, I might expecting for I might expecting go back to the 3.4k, but I know it's not too realistic. But if it back to the 3.4k this key level, I might seeking for opportunity to take a reversal of the gold. So first target will be gold, still be bearish. The momentum, I'm expecting it going back to the 3.9 and 15 this level. This might be my first level for the gold. If tonight FOMC is going to bear for gold, all right. Let's move on to the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is showing a really strong bearish momentum overall. So what I'm expecting for the stock market for now, I can say could be a big short moment. So what I'm expecting for Nasdaq will be a bearish momentum until it reaches a pivot point, which is 22k.900, right? 22k900, right? And now for the Dow Jones, we can see today Dow Jones is quite bearish and it breaks through the trend line. But what I'm expecting for the Dow Jones is I might waiting it whether this level could be holding it above or if get breakthrough, and this might be the pivot point for Dow Jones. It might going to back to the reversal. Turn to the reversal, which is a bearish momentum for the Dow Jones. Because what I'm expecting for the stock market will be a bearish momentum due to the geopolitical situation for right now, and the US oil I still expecting it as a bullish momentum for right now, and I might expecting it will fill this gap by later on after the FOMC. It tells the rate whether it's maintain or increase the rate, right? So let's go move on to the GBP USD. GBP USD we can say is quite bearish momentum. Therefore, what I'm expecting for GBP USD might be a short position. So short position where we can take the short position, alright, it's around this level. This level might be my favorite level to be taking a short position. And where I would target my first target would be here, could be a 1.1/2 ratio. Alright. So let's move on to the Euro USD. Euro USD we can say is still a quite bearish momentum overall. But the price action we can see is quite a bearish momentum. So Euro USD I might considering for after FOMC if it's still holding up. I might waiting it back take this level, and this is my level where we're considering to take a short position. What I'm expecting for Euro USD is like this. Right. Let's move on to the NZD USD. NZD USD we can say is quite bearish also due to the strong momentum of the USD. Right, quite bearish also. So what I'm expecting for NZD USD might be these two level. This is my first level targeting, second target, and this will be my third target for NZD USD. And let's move on to AUD USD. All right, AUD USD is showing a quite bearish momentum. As I mentioned by last Wednesday, if the candle is forming under this level, I might consider to take a short, and I did take the short position from this level, and my targeting level will be here. This is my targeting level for the AUD USD, and my stop loss will be here.